Hi, I'm Kira Shelton. Today we're at the Dreams in Actions workshop. Come and have a look.
I'm Calvin, I'm the community builder at Thank You, and I'm here today sharing at USC, sharing about our story and the journey that we've been on. I'm hoping to inspire students to chase after their dreams and ideas. We didn't because of pure determination and persistence. We did it because we were willing to step outside the box and think a little bit differently.
I've never really been to a day like this before. I think it's great. It's a good change from the four walls of a classroom. It's really good. It helps me get a grip on or even a vision of what I want to do when I leave school. What advice would you give people looking to start up a business or be successful in the world of business?
They started out just out of high school. They had their idea and they wanted to share with the world. They thought they had the skills they could to make a change, and that's how we feel. So that's pretty cool to actually see someone who did do that and made such an impact on the world today.
We had over 100 students here today and we were teaching them how to start a business. What are those first steps you have to take, actioning your why and getting them to realise that they have the ability to make a difference in this world.
And then start thinking about what other things, other materials do that same type of job.
Because they had a problem with contaminated plastic waste. And so we came up with an idea.
So recognising that, this journey towards university isn't far away for them, and it's something to be excited about and embrace all of the new, because essentially there's a lot of learning involved.
Yeah, it helped kind of give us direction and motivation to actually, we can, if we have an idea that we want to share with the world, we have USC to help us with that.
Days like today at USC are so inspiring. It's made me really clear about where I want to go.